June is Men's Health Month. Today we want you to know that early detection is key when it comes to prostate cancer. In today's Health Watch, Local 3's Caitlin Corbett tells us the story of a man whose early detection saved his life.
Prostate cancer often shows no symptoms until it's too late. Thankfully for Andrew Moore, a blood test at Aurora Baycare Medical Center diagnosed his cancer early on.
Really kind of a boring story. I didn't have any symptoms. I went to a yearly exam and the primary doctor suggested, maybe this year we need to do a PSA test.
That's often how prostate cancer starts. No signs, no symptoms until it's too late. Thankfully for Ephraim's Andrew Moore, it wasn't.
That's the really important thing about prostate cancer screening, is that there really are no symptoms early on. The only way we have of knowing that it's there is an elevated PSA, which is prostate-specific antigen. It's a protein that the prostate makes.
At his routine checkup last fall, Moore's doctor suggested a PSA blood test. Those levels were elevated. After a biopsy, Moore was diagnosed with intermediate prostate cancer at age 53. That's when he was connected with urological surgeon Dr. Heather Stefaniak at Aurora Baycare Medical Center.
She went over the procedure and my choices, and from there I chose to have surgery, and she was very good with telling me all about the procedure and answering all my questions. She went over the pre and post-op plan so that I could, which actually helped because then I could focus on that instead of the cancer.
Moore underwent a robotic prostatectomy, a minimally invasive surgical procedure to remove the prostate. He'll still have regular PSA tests, but now he's cancer-free. And while catching it early is important, so is dispelling some of the stigma surrounding prostate cancer.
Oh, people say I'll die with prostate cancer rather than from prostate cancer. Well, when you're 52, have an intermediate prostate cancer, have 30 plus years of life, prostate cancer will cause you a problem if you don't do anything.
Moore hopes more men will look out for this silent killer, too.
I would tell them, don't just go to the doctor when you are feeling sick or have some sort of symptoms. Find a doctor, go to them every year, and listen to their suggestions, because whatever, you may have a problem and it might get caught early.
To learn more about prostate cancer treatment options, visit Aurora Baycare's website. And that's your Health Watch. For Local 3 News, I'm Caitlin Corbett.